Hey guys, it's Gavin then. I just cut my video by accident. And I just upload another one. I want to do that again. No! Man! So, I don't know you see the other one when I just cut it as accidentally. So, I can't believe I go to do that again. This is the F01. There's a rope in the top. So, it's cannot fall down in the top. And then there's the pipe here or a rope. No, this is the rope, the block, and then this is a hose. So, this is an antenna, ladder, and then a sounds. And I know what is the sounds of the Ghostbusters. It's this. Wow, wow, I know it, but I think this is better, Ray, and then this is, I don't know, and then, I don't know if you can see it because I am so busy, and this driver. Okay, so, you got, this is that, put in the Ghostbuster, but this is my airplane. It's a little one. I just built it last night. I know it. So, I built the Ghostbuster, what that called again? Firehouse, I think. So,
Kasi na?
Stop knowing that it is a super creepy video! Stop! 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 Man!
You're videoing?
Get quiet! I cannot video is getting 2 minutes. So this is so heavy. I'm so scared. This is the headquarters. There's a gate you can open. No, not again. You are joking me. Wait. Just wait a minute. How many times did I broke this? Man, I can't believe this wall. So, I know you already see the Ghostbuster headquarters. And the gate can open and the car can fit in the F01. So I almost forgot this is the ghost trap. This is the ghost trap. So I have different ghosts, but I'm not going to tell you because so many. I found 1,000 of body parts. I know that is a ghost. So this is end of the video. Send to 500 likes and see you next time. Bye. It's already 3 minutes. It's already large. Oh my goodness. Bye.